Hey guys, welcome to our channel Jaga's Kitchen Vlogs, and today we have another vlog, and that is School Lake Park vlog. So let's get started. So while we're on our journey to the school, enjoy the beautiful nature ahead of us. So this is the place where we exit our community, the Heights of Novi, and this is like the main road, and usually the next sidewalk we go for a 2-mile walk. And right now this road is this is one of the road our school bus goes. We every day in school we go this way, and there's a little kid just said hi. So we're almost going to my school, and we're very close to it, and I hope you like the journey so far we made. So enjoy the rest of the journey. Hey, we finally reached our school. Let's get out and go to the playground first. So now we're walking toward the playground. So let me get on the swing so I can tell you about the school. Hi guys, so finally we're at my school, and this is the playground. And if you look to the right, at the very last, you can see the soccer field, and in front of it you can see the basketball court, and the front it's the tire swing. And here I'm swinging near the swings right over here, and right over there you can see the rest of the playground, and I'll be right over there. You can see the building, and that's my school. And the red doors are the doors for going inside and coming outside. So if you see right over there, that's the building for the library, and right over there, that's the place for my music class. Right over there, there's a lake, so let's get down and go there. Follow me, and I'll lead you to the lake. So now I'm walking to the lake, so you can see the gateway and the chain fences and stuff. So yeah. Come on, follow me. So right over here, the lake. So you can see the lake all over. That sound is peaceful. This beautiful lake is beside my school, and often we come to the school's playground to play. Whoa, the lake was pretty cool. I loved it so much that let's move ahead and see more adventures in this place. So as you see, there's a garden type of thing next to our lake. So there, we're walking. So there's some flowers as you see, and I'm running. This is the best day of my life. So good. Whoa, that almost looks like a banana tree. That tree right next to me at the left, now it's gone, never mind. And there's a soccer field over there, and behind that, that's a community. all a community. This is like all grass and all trees. So there, I'm showing you the soccer field again. So that's the goal. And there's a like cabin right over there. So this view is beautiful. And let me show you a funny thing. Follow me. This is a tree chair. This actually fits you. Believe me, it's so cool. It's like a chair in a king's palace. Like literally. So let's go back and play. So this is my whole school, and I hope you like it. Bye-bye. So guys, finally we're leaving school and heading back home to the community Heights of Novi. And we thought, let's just go to the lake park for fun. So now we're going to the lake park, and it's not very far. And now we're here. So we're going into our community, the Heights of Novi. This is the entry. So there are the houses, and there are the boards, speed limits, trees, cars coming ahead. And whoa, that looks like a Christmas tree. I bet it is. Whoa, that's a large one. So let's visit the bike park. It's probably just gonna take a minute to like visit it. We're almost getting there. So while you can enjoy the trees, how beautiful they are. Oh, my friend just passed. So this is a tennis court where everyone plays tennis. And we're here. Right over there, and this is the leading office. So this is where the management goes. And we're going to park our car here and go to the lake park. Oh, whoa, I really like the roses, so beautiful. So now let's get in the car and go back to the lake park. So there, we're just gonna park it right over here. And there's a bike stand over there. And I'll explain the lake park when we get there. So guys, finally we came back from our school, and now we're in our community, and in our community there's a lake park, and right now we're here. So come on, follow me and I'll show you around. So first, we have grills right over here. There's 3, and this is one of the grills. And sooner we will post a video about barbecue with this grill. And next, let's go to the play area. There is a volleyball court, and we play there in the summer. And it's named Lake Park, so I just thought, let's explore the lake park. And so let's explore, enjoy the great views of this great lake park. And that's the lake park. So there is a squirrel, and I'm taking a video of it. In India, squirrels, when they see us, they just quickly go away. But here, they don't. They just stay there, and for a few minutes, then they might go away, or they still might just stay there. Oh, it went away, never mind. But we're still gonna take a video of it. So there's another. Whoa. I think squirrels are very cute. Oh, look at that. Its face, it's so funny. I really like squirrels from now on. So now I'm taking a video of ducks swimming in the lake. So there's one, and there's it again. And sometimes, like, they fly over the side, like gawking, quack quack quack, like that sound. Yeah, sometimes they do that. So this is like from middle of the tree I just showed you, and the plants or grass or weed I just showed you. And this is from the other side. What a great view. So if you liked it, please give a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more notifications. See you in our next video.